for the first time, then my name is Shreya and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and much more. Today's video is where I answer some of your assumptions under my Diwali giveaway video. FYI, that giveaway is closed. I do have one more giveaway which is coming up. If it's up already, I will link it somewhere on the screen so you guys can definitely go ahead and participate in that giveaway video. So without any further ado, let's move on with today's video. So one of the rules in my Diwali giveaway video was that you had to comment any assumption or any question you had about me. So I had picked up few of the questions from that video, from the comments. So the first question is that, what is your biggest goal in life? So if you ask me genuinely, my biggest goal in life would be to reach milestones together, working hard each and every day, of course, and reaching milestones and making my parents proud and making everyone proud of my closest family and friends. I know that RANI D is always supportive enough, and I want to work more and more harder, even if it's only for YouTube. I don't know how I connect to you guys, how I really feel that this is a strong family. This is a family which I'm building it from the roots. So I do believe that it will somewhere or the other grow beyond my expectations, maybe. And maybe one fine day I could meet all of you, meet and greet might happen. I don't know, I just hope for the best. And currently this would be my actual goal in my life, to establish myself harder, to establish myself to the people who look up to me, who actually have expectations from me, and I can fulfill their dreams whenever and wherever possible. One of another questions, or I would say that another assumption which one of you guys had about me is that I was too slim in childhood. So I was slim in childhood, like, you know, till my school days life I was like slim. But after that, you know, as you grow old, as you grow up, things change. But I was not that slim, I was not that fat or healthy. I was somewhere in the mid, but I was slim, kind of slim, like I was. So another question is that, favorite YouTuber of makeup tutorials. Now makeup tutorials as such, I would say that I had seen some videos of Shy Styles, Saima, and makeup tutorials as such, I don't know, I haven't seen a lot of makeup tutorials, but yeah, I think that I had seen only of Saima's and Shreya Jain. So I would say that these two are the people where, like, previously I used to watch their videos. Now I hardly do get time to watch any video. So I had seen quite a few makeup videos of there and I loved it, especially of Saima and Shreya Jain. So another question is that, who inspired to do makeup videos? Now for the longest time, while I had opened my YouTube channel, if you will be seeing my YouTube channel very closely and precisely, that my beginning, the videos were kind of like, you know, the context was this, another, then the context was that, the content was that. So it was all around going from one end to the other end. So I was not getting my perfect genre. So after a while, I thought that I will be doing videos where only suggestion videos. But then after a while, somehow I just thought that why not give it a try. And I gave a try and I loved it. I loved the response. So after I got good response from you guys, that motivation came to me, that the confidence built up, and I started making makeup tutorial videos. I have to be honest here, I haven't been to any makeup academy, or I haven't been like trained by any professional or anything. And the previous videos which I was talking about, I had seen only like 2 to 3 makeup videos of them, not like very diligently, religiously I had seen. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब वो देख के मैंने ये create किया या फिर वो देख के मैंने inspire हुआ, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. मैंने बस 1, 2, 3 या videos देखा था उन लोगों का, and फिर उसके बाद से I personally thought that why can't I give it a try, and while trying and I got good response. तो मैंने सोचा कि चलो यार हफ्ते में 1-2 वीडियोस तो मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल्स का हम कर ही सकते हैं, और वो अच्छा निकले या बुरा निकले वो तो जज आप ही लोग करेंगे. सो अभी तक तो मैंने जितना भी वीडियोस डाला है वो सब आप लोगों ने पसंद किया है. सो आई डू रियली होप दैट फ्यूचर में भी मैं जितना भी यूट्यूब मेकअप वीडियोस डालूंगी वो सब आपको पसंद आए. एंड अनदर मेजर रीज़न इज़ दैट आफ्टर सीइंग माई मेकअप वीडियोज़ एंड एवरीथिंग, रानी दी came into my whole life and she inspired me more and more, I would say, not just by giving me tools, but also motivating me and giving me that energy, that positive vibe that yes, you are capable of doing it. मुझे ये लगता है कि हर किसी के लाइफ में एक ऐसे इंसान का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है जो तुम्हें हो सके कि फिनेंशियली या फिर ऐसे कुछ तरीके से हेल्प ना कर पाए, बट वो जो मोटिवेशन, वो जो एक एनर्जी, वो जो एक पॉजिटिविटी वो लोग स्प्रेड करते हैं, उसी से आई बिलीव दैट आधा काम हो जाता है. एंड शी हैज़ बीन अ पिलर ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ, शी हैज़ बीन अ रॉक इन माई लाइफ एंड शी इज स्टिल बीइंग दैट, एंड आई एम super grateful to her, like always I say to her. So yeah, these are few of the questions and assumptions that you guys had about me. So I hope that I did justice. I hope you liked it. I hope you got to know me a bit better and a bit close. That was it for today's video, guys. I do really hope that you guys had enjoyed knowing me a bit more. And I hope that I did justice to all of you guys' questions which you had asked or assumptions which you had about me. So till then, stay safe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.